Tonight,
I've been
the
telling y'all
I-Team
these banks are stealing
investigates
people's money.
frozen
Listen
funds.
up.
High-yield savings accounts can be safe places to earn higher interest on your money.
But now thousands of people asking where their money is after depositing it into an FDIC bank through a popular app. Consumer investigator Jason Knowles talked to local investors. Jason?
Millions of dollars and thousands of people nationwide who haven't been able to access savings accounts. Local consumers say they trusted an app and a bank. Now they're asking why their funds are frozen. So your app says a balance of $7,458, but you can't get it.
I can't get it.
Konstantin Tarnaruski of Vernon Hills and Brendan Murphy of Lindenhurst can't access those funds. The balance shows $2,729. Both men put their money in high-yield savings accounts. The FDIC bank which backed the accounts was Evolve Bank and Trust, but the men used the app Yada. The app gives users the chance to win prizes for saving money. So you thought your money was safe?
Yes, and high-yield savings was really what I wanted. and they set it up so that the more money you save and you kept in there, you would get more bonuses.
As long as you had their debit or credit card, then there would be no penalty to withdraw money if you needed to use it.
Now they are some of the 85,000 customers who Yada says were locked out of their accounts in May of 2024.
I tried taking all of my money out just to be safe, hey, what's going on? And then all of the transactions got canceled.
In this lawsuit Yada filed against Evolve Bank, Yada alleges that Yada customers have had no access to the over $100 million in funds that they deposited with Evolve in good faith, and that Yada has received thousands of messages from its customers, many of whom have lost substantially all of their assets to Evolve's treachery. But the FDIC-backed bank Evolve blames the missing funds on the recent financial collapse and bankruptcy of a middleman, Synapse Brokerage, which helped manage the money. In this motion to dismiss the lawsuit, Evolve says it is Synapse's conduct and not Evolve's that is at issue.
It's not held at Evolve, so they did a audit of all of their transactional logs, and they're saying that the money doesn't exist.
Evolve Bank and Trust told the I-Team that it understands the frustration and it's working to bring closure, but says that Synapse Brokerage moved most of the funds away from Evolve. We reached out to Synapse, its bankruptcy attorney, and its bankruptcy trustee, but haven't heard back. The app Yada says its lawsuit speaks for itself and that since October, our customers have deposited over $125 million using an Evolve routing number. Evolve cards have processed over $80 million of transactions. In their statements to the I-Team, Yada and Evolve are pointing the finger at each other about what led up to the problems, and there's that Synapse bankruptcy. $100,000 gone. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, it is like losing a house. It's absolutely terrible.
Former Illinois resident Zach Jacobs created this website, fightforourfunds.org. So far, he's brought together about 6,700 people who say they can't access more than $51 million with an average loss of about $7,500.
There's no answers as to where the money went. No answers as to who has it, just that we don't have it.
Evolve Bank does have a program through which some of the funds are being returned using transaction data from the Federal Reserve System. The bank says customers deserve to know where their money is, period, and it will continue to return the funds which it has. Jacobs got back $128 out of his $94,468. Murphy is getting back about a third of his $2,800. Tarnaruski didn't get a dime of his $7,458. But you're going to get a payment of $976, but you're getting nothing.
Yep.
Evolve also says more money is being returned this week and that it's continuing to search for the funds, adding it's prepared to pay for costs to analyze data, but that none of the Synapse system banks have agreed to share it. Evolve says it needs the data to make sure the right amounts are found and returned. If you're affected by this, we have links on our website where you can get more information or file complaints.